He came and went straight for my sister in the darkness. Went upstairs in the darkness. Did what he did in the master bedroom, because they believe there's one of my sister's sons was asleep, so he didn't go to that bedroom. He went straight to the master bedroom, did what he did in the master bedroom, and then came down asking for auntie. So he probably even wanted to finish off the house help. I don't know at what point the daughter, the 11-year-old, got to my sister, and my sister told her, go call Gadoni, go call the neighbors. So I believe she ran to the neighbors, called them. That's when they tried to rescue her. But it may have taken some time, as I'm meant to believe, because they were still scared that the person was still inside the house. But eventually they managed to get her and put her in one of the neighbors' cars and rush her to the hospital. But she was alive all the way to the hospital. And there are things she said. And the neighbors who are there know what she said. She was able to recognize the assailant. And she said the assailant is the suspect who's in custody, who's her ex-husband.
We did a post-mortem on Tuesday, and the report shows that the assailant stabbed her 17 times, meaning it was premeditated. So this was pure murder. Whoever did this had malice, had malicious intent. So we just hope that our court system, the justice will be served. Whoever the suspect is should pay for this crime. It's heinous, and it is animalistic. My sister had disagreed with the husband, so they were going through a divorce. And we are speculating, we are not sure. Probably because of property, that is why it happened. Property division, because custody of the kids was already awarded to the mother. But now the property probably would be now the issue. I came to her rescue several times, where the guy would beat her up. We'd even go take a P3, go to the doctors, go to the police. He would even break into the house, but he never got arrested. Why, we don't know. Yeah, we through the divorce proceedings, there was a warrant of arrest. He never got arrested. He had a restraining order, but he still managed to breach that, and nothing was being done about it. So it's very unfortunate that my sister had to pass for maybe justice to fall.
We immediately launched investigations, which has led us to the arrest of one of the key suspects, who happens to be the husband to the deceased, though they had separated some times back. Investigations are ongoing, and we believe that we'll get justice done to this family. The said suspect was taken to court on Wednesday. We did a miscellaneous application. The court has given us 7 days to finish our investigation. We are on course, and of course at a very high speed, at a very high rate, bearing in mind that we have got time limits to take him back to court. But there is good progress, and we know sooner or later we'll have completed our investigation. Upon follow-up from our records, we have realized they have had issues. And these issues, there is an ongoing divorce case in court, whereby a court had issued restrictions to the husband. And I'm reliably informed that after restrictions, he somehow slowed down going there. We have nothing to say about the case before court. But we believe, we suspect probably out of whatever has been happening in their lives, could be one of the circumstances that led to this attack. And that is why we are following that avenue. Our postmortem was done on the same day of 11th. And the preliminary report indicates that the lady died out of excessive bleeding occasioned by the injuries that were done on her. So we believe maybe the stabs. There were several stabs on her body. We believe those are the ones that caused her death.